Alright, so here are the 5 essential settings you need to turn on your Android device right now. The 5th one is the most important one. But yeah, I'm not going to advise you to skip to the last part of this video because even the rest of the settings are also very important to turn on your Android device. So if you're interested, please give the video a thumbs up and also let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Flood here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time checking us out, you're also very welcome. You're very much welcome. So it's going to be much appreciated if you try to support this YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button and also turning that notification bell on as well. On this channel, we post about tech stuff, tech tutorials, tech reviews and other tech related stuff like that. So yeah, just check us out and yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. So let's start with the first important settings you need to turn on your Android device. The first important settings you need to turn on is the app pinning, also known as screen pinning on other Android device. The app pinning feature is an essential feature, especially if you're handing your device to someone else. So let's take for example, someone asks for your device and the person said he wants to like check out the calculator on your mobile phone, right? Or like a kid wants to like play a game on your mobile phone and you don't want that kid to like check other apps on your device, or you don't want that person to like move from that calculator app to another app on your device. So with screen pinning or with app pinning, you're able to like pin a certain app and they won't be able to move out from that app to another app or the home screen of your device. Now, even if they try to remove from the certain app, they will be asked to like put in a password you set for the app pinning or for the screen pinning. Right, so you see, it's very important. Let me show you how to turn on that setting. So first, head over to your settings, scroll down and click on security. Now click on privacy. Click on allow pinning apps or screen pinning depending on the one that is written on your Android device. So you just have to turn it on and click on OK. Now here's how to use the app pinning or pinning apps. You just have to minimize the app, tap and hold on it and click on the pinning icon here. And with that, you've pinned the app. To unpin the app, you just have to slide from the bottom and put in your password, and that's how you unpin it. Easy peasy, right? Now the second most essential setting I'll ask you to turn on your Android device is called screen time. Now what it does is to manage and control how much time you spend on your device or on a certain app. And let's say for example you're on TikTok and you don't want to like stay on TikTok for like 2 hours or 1 hour. Now with this screen time, you'll be able to know how much time you spent on this certain app. Just in case you have something else you want to do after that, be able to do it. I don't know if this makes sense, but yeah, it's very important. It has also boosted my productivity in terms of like, creating my content and other stuff like that. Yeah, so let me show you how to turn it on. So head over to your settings, scroll down and click on digital wellbeing and parental controls. Scroll down and click on screen time reminder and turn it on. Now the third setting you should turn on your Android device is called data limit. Now this is a lifesaver because it has helped me a lot in terms of like managing my data. Now this does not save your data, but this reminds you on how much data you spent on a certain day. So let's take for example, you want to spend like 2 gig of data today, right? With the data limit, you'll be able to know how much you spent and how much you have left. So if you reach your data limit, it's going to notify you that you've reached your data limit. And what made this setting more interesting is that you can just set any amount of your data limit. Let's say 500 MB, 1 gig or 2 gig, any amount of your choice. What I know is that it's going to notify you whenever you reach your data limit, and then you'll be able to know the next thing to do. This is how to turn it on. So head over to your settings and click on the settings search bar and search for data. Now scroll down and click on one-time data limit and turn it on. Now on the size option, we can choose your mobile data limit size option like 50 MB, 100 MB, 150, anyone. You click on custom and choose anyone that perfectly fits your budget, right? You can also choose the when exceeded option and choose if you want it to like turn off and notify you when you reach your data limit, or only notify you when you reach your data limit. You can choose any of the option and you're good. The fourth setting you should turn on your Android device is called heads up. Heads up Now from the name, you'll be like, what kind of setting is this? But this is a very useful setting, to be honest. I turned the setting on and I've been using it for like a couple of months now. And it's very essential for someone who likes pressing their phone while working. Now what this does is to like notify you whenever you're pressing your phone and you're working at the same time. It's going to notify you to be conscious about your environment, and also you should look up where you're working. I mean, it's just very important to just drop your phone while you're working. You're going to find the feature very useful. You're going to find the setting very useful, to be honest. Just try it out and let me know what you think. Alright, on your setting, you just have to scroll down and click on digital well-being and parental controls, and scroll down and click on heads up and turn it on. You also have permission, you have physical activity, you have notifications and location. Location is optional. With that, you set up the heads up feature or setting on your Android device. Now the fifth essential feature you need to turn on your Android device is called SOS, also known as emergency or safety, depending on the Android device you are using. Now this is a critical safety security feature everyone needs to set up on their Android device. It is very important in different scenarios. You don't need to be involved in an accident to find this feature useful. So let's say, for example, you lost your device and a good Samaritan picked it up. The person will be able to contact your loved ones through the emergency contact, even without unlocking your device. Now, there are other events this feature can be very useful. You just need to turn it on just in case. Let me show you how to turn it on. These settings, you just have to scroll down and click on safety and emergency. On this section, you'll be able to put in your medical information and also put in your emergency contacts. You just have to select the contacts you can add as an emergency contact. Now, you have to turn on the emergency SOS feature by clicking on turn on emergency SOS. As you can see, there's a mini demo video demonstrating how to use this feature. You just have to press the button 5 times to activate or trigger the phone to make an emergency call, and also share your live location. Now for more feature you can try out with the SOS, you just have to click on Oppo Personal Safety. Now this is an app that comes with the mobile phone. You can click on features to see other features you can do with this, and also click on your information to do some settings and also add up some emergency contacts and medical information and other stuff like that. So all the settings I mentioned in this video are very important. From the first one to the fifth one, they are all very important to turn on your Android device. So now tell me, which of the settings are you going to first turn on your Android device, and which do you find the most interesting or the most important to turn on your Android device? Let me know in the comment section of this video. So yeah, Chancellor Tech is the community, and we're talking about tech, right? You can actually post on the community. I don't know if you know about this feature yet. YouTube allows you to like post in the community. So if you are very interested in Chancellor Tech community, you are free to post on our community, right? Just if you have any question about tech, you can let me know in the community. You can let me know in the comments of our videos, and I'm going to respond to you real quick. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop any video on the channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.